Guys, so what does technical analysis say after the FOMC meeting that we just had? 25 BPS, or 0.25% hike rates, and I'm still very much bullish. There is nothing wrong with the chart. It could dump down, and if you zoom out in really nicely up here on the chart, and you look at 1 minute time frame up here, you'll see that the volatility did already happen. It doesn't know whether it's gonna go up or down. People will say, oh man, this I had a shoulders pattern, and they will say, oh, but this is also curving, and then they'll say, oh, but this is springs towards the upside, and what's gonna happen next. So let's look at a little bit, zoom out a little bit. So this 1 minute chart, this is 5 minute chart, as you can see here. This is the FOMC meeting. This is the FOMC meeting volatility that just happened. So it's very interesting. But we're gonna zoom out even a little bit more up here, and what you're gonna see here that we have a very nice channel towards upside. So this move up here right now that you saw during this FOMC meeting announcement went all the way up to the top of the channel up here on the top. So you can see how nicely we are hitting the bottoms down here. So whether this is the channel or not, we're not gonna discuss that. But it does seems that this is the channel that's right now having. And as you can see down here, we have this very nice line, arrow that's pointing out to this line down here. Now this line is a bottom support level on an expanding musical instrument that I'll just show you in a second. So the big question is what's gonna happen outside of this this channel. Now if this channel does break indeed towards upside up here, it's gonna be very bullish, and it just might explode towards upside. It's gonna be very stupidly bullish and might explode towards upside. Unfortunately, I'm a little bit unsure what's gonna happen next, because the 25 BPS on the FOMC meeting, that was kind of expected. It was priced in, and if it's priced in and we already have been bullish for a long time, we are still looking to be bullish in the coming months to come, then we should technically pump. But you never know with these kind of things, because they might manipulate the market a little bit down to some kind of support levels, a bounce, and so forth. So this move towards downside, if you look at it even bigger time frames up here on the 4-hourly, this looks like a bear flag. Now the bear flag up here does over here, the bear flag does point towards downside, towards this bottom down here. I'm going to show you the bottom, and there are two ways actually you can actually measure the bear flag. So the first way you can measure the bear flag is take all the way from the top to the bottom of the bottom of the wick down here, and measure that move. And you can see down here you get to some kind of 28k levels on the downside. Now I do not believe this is the case, because I've seen a lot of bear flags and bull flags, and the measurement actually starts from this point over here. So if we take a new measurement over here from this point over here and towards the bottom of the channel down here, you'll see that we get somewhere close to this line that's around 28.5 levels up here. Now the 28.5 level is very important. Could we dump down to those levels? Could we go down to this expanding musical instrument support level down here? I think that is very good possibility and probability for that. I do not know what's gonna happen, because right now they're gonna probably have some kind of conference, or they may be having the conference right now. I haven't been watching the FOMC meeting in a while. It's really not that exciting right now, because everybody's like, people are desensitized from all of these rate hikes, right? So are we gonna move towards downside? It is a bear flag, so we gotta respect the bear flag. We gotta respect the bear flag. We are looking at these levels on the downside up here, and that's the 28.5 level. Now over here, what we have right now is expanding musical instrument, and we said in today's Bitcoin daily video that this over here is actually very bullish. So if we do go down here in this area down here, I would become extremely bullish until we actually start breaking this area down here on the weekly time frame. So breaking into hourly, 4-hourly, it really doesn't matter. If it goes down here, something like that, it comes right back on the weekly time frame. It's all good, right? But it can definitely break on the downside. There are definitely support levels right below us up here, but right now I'm looking for this move towards downside, because if this does happen, because it is a bear flag, so respect the flag. It is a rising channel, and rising channels are by the definition bearish. So this move towards downside over here might actually very much happen. But I'm still very much bullish in this expanding musical instrument. I'm definitely looking still to pump towards upside. Now you might be wondering, what is this arrow and what is this green line over here? That's the 1st of August. We are having supermoons. That's a full moon supermoon that's kicking in 1st of August. So we are, of course, very much bullish, but that's that. So we got a we are very close to that those levels. Now the fact that we have expanding musical instrument up here coming very close into this 1st of August, I'm definitely expecting something like this to happen. If you do fall on downside, that can happen. I'm not saying it cannot happen, but it can happen. But until that happens, until we break some kind of very important level of support, I'm bullish, guys. I'm bullish. So there is that. Just quick update on what's happening right now. Enjoy that. And before we go, let me see if I can open this over here. Not this one actually over here, but not this one over here. Not that one. Where is it? Bybit up here. Somewhere is Bybit up here. Where is it? Doesn't matter, guys. there is Bybit. World Series of Trading going on. We got a link down below for the team. So you might want to join our team, TF Fans Club. We got Mladen. Well, technically we don't have Mladen yet, but very soon we're gonna have Mladen in the team. So we're gonna be trading in the World Series of Trading. If you wanna join us, link down below, and I'll see you another time. Okay, guys, where's my outro? I need to make outro my Bybit World Series of Trading stuff. Have a nice day, guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.